Hello students. So in this video I'm going to discuss the most important question and the lengthy question, that is question number 7 from exercise 13.1. Though it seems lengthy and difficult, but it is easy. Only two questions like two shapes they are merged and given the question. That's it. So let us start. Shanti Sweets stall. So this stall of Shanti Sweets was placing an order for making the cardboard boxes. As we know, in Sweet Mart we need the boxes to pack the sweets. Cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. So there are two different sizes of boxes are required. So we will see what is the shape. The bigger of dimensions. So the bigger box of dimension 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So the shape is cuboidal, and the smaller of dimension 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5. So there is one more box of this dimension, length, breadth and height. For all the overlaps. So as we know, to make the box we have to fold the cardboard, isn't it? And we'll put that extra foldings inside, isn't it? For that also we need the cardboard. So 5% of total surface area. If you find the total surface of one box, let us take this example. So this is a box to fold. So extra things we have to put inside. For that also we need the cardboard, as I told you. So how much extra we need here? 5% of total surface area. If we find the total surface area of this box, 5% of the total surface area that we have to add to make the total full complete box is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 per 100 centimeter square. Suppose this is 100 centimeter. So the meaning is what? It occupies, it is 1000 centimeter square. So 1000 square can be fit in this much of area. So that is the meaning of the area. So for 1000 centimeter square of area, rupees 4 is the cost. Then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So there are two kinds of boxes. So the first type of box we need 250 and another boxes we need 250. So first of all we have to find out how much cardboard is needed to make one box. That is the area we have to find out. Area of one box. That will give the cardboard required to make one box. Then how many boxes we need? 250. So each box area you have to multiply with 250. And then you have to find out the cost. Cost is same here. For 1000 centimeter square you have to pay rupees 4. So first of all we will write the given things. There are two types of boxes. So both are in cuboidal shape. So I'll name this as first box and second one I'll name as second box. So measurements of first box we will see. What are the measurements of bigger box, or you can name this bigger or smaller. 20, 5, 20 and 5. And both should have what? Same unit here. 25, 20 and 5. So we'll write here. Length is 25, breadth is 20 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. Similarly for smaller box also we will write 15, 12 and 5. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, then height is 5 centimeter. So you can count on 12, 15, 12 and 5 for smaller, and for bigger box 25, 20 and 5. So for all the overlaps 5% of total surface area is required. If the cost is this much, find the cost of cardboard. So to find out the total cost and how much the cardboard is needed, we need to find out the area. And area of one box, that is the cardboard needed for one, is what? TSA of full box plus 5% of TSA we have to add them. So that will make you the total cardboard needed. Therefore, cardboard needed for one box equals to TSA, isn't it? TSA of this box plus 5% of TSA. So first of all we'll find out the TSA, then we'll get the 5% of TSA. Similarly here also same thing. Cardboard needed for one box equals to TSA of this box plus 5% of total surface area. That will give the total cardboard needed. So we'll find out the TSA of this box. 2LB plus H, then BHL. So we have LBH, all the measurements here. We will find out here 2 into LB. So LB we have 25 into 20 plus BH, 20 into 5 plus HL, 5 into 25 equals to 2 into 25 to the 25 to the is 50 and this 0, 500. 25 5s are 5 to the 10 and this 0. Then 25 5s are, that is 125. So add these three, 500, 100, 600 plus 100, 700 and 25. So 2 into 725. So this is 1450 centimeter square. Next, here we'll find out the cardboard needed for one box. That is 5% of TSA we have to add. So we'll find out that 5% of TSA of this bigger box or the first box. 5%, so 100 of means into TSA is 1450. This will get cancelled. Then here 5 ones are 5 twos are, so 145 divided by 2. So 145 divided by 2, you will get 72.5 centimeter square. So if you add this TSA and 5% of TSA, they will give you that will give you cardboard needed for the first box. So therefore, cardboard needed for first box is TSA plus 5% of TSA. So TSA we got as 1450 centimeter square plus 72.5. If we add these two, what will get here? The final area, this 5 will be as it is. 5 plus 2 is 7. Oh no, here we have the 0, so we'll get here 2, and then here we'll get finally 15, and here this 5 will get. So 1522.5. This will be your answer. This 5 you have to keep as it is. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. So that is carry 1 plus 4 is 5 and 1. So this is the cardboard needed. This much centimeter square of cardboard is needed to make the first box. Similarly, we will find for second. So here also we have to find out the TSA of the second box. Same formula, LB, BH plus HL. And write down the measurements here. LB 15 into 12, BH is 12 into 5, and HL is 5 into 15. So solve this. So 15 into 12. 12 5s are 60, 0, 6 carry. 12 ones are 12 plus 6 is 18. Plus 12 5s are 60 plus 15 5s are 75. So add these all. So you will get here, if you add 180 plus 60 plus 75, you will get 5 here. Then 7 plus 6 plus 8. Then all together if you calculate, you will get 315. So that is 630 centimeter square. This is TSA. Again, we have to find out the 5% of TSA. Pi upon 100 into of TSA is 630. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 63 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. So you'll get the answer here in the decimal. Then 2 ones are 2. 0.1 then 5 centimeter square. So the cardboard needed for making the second box or the smaller box, you can see, is equals to TSA plus 5% of TSA. So TSC we have here 630 plus 5% is 31.5 centimeter square. So the finally you will get here answer as, you have to add these two. So 630 plus 31. So that is what? 661 and this 0.5 centimeter square. So this is the cardboard needed. So the question we will go back to the question. It is given, find all the overlays and 5% of total surface area found if the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 100 centimeter square. Then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So we have to find out the total cost of cardboard. So area of one cardboard or cardboard needed for first box is this much, for one quantity this much, and for the second type of box this much. So first of all we should find out, at least you can find out first the cost of one box, and then you can multiply with 250 because each kind of box we need 250. So that also you can do. Otherwise first find out the area of 250 boxes and then find out the cost. So it depends on you. So however you want you can find out. But what I'll do, I will find the cost here first and then I'll multiply with 250. So first find it the cost. So the cost of first box we'll find out. It is given that for 1000 centimeter square the cost is rupees 4. For 1000 centimeter square the cost is equals to rupees 4. Then what is the area of first box? As we have got 1522.5. This is cost. This is the area. For this, what is the cost? So we can take this as x. So x into 1000. Then 1522.4 into 4. So x is what? The cost for this area or this cardboard. 0.5 into 4 divided by 1000. So if you find out this, first you can multiply these two and then divide with 1000, because it becomes very easy when you got here in the numerator 10, 100, denominator 10, 100 and thousands. So you can multiply this. Finally, after multiplying this, whatever answer you're getting, from the right side you have to give point. You have to shift the point from the right side to left side, left side after the 3. So you can get the answer. The final answer will be rupees 6.09. So to make one box, the cost 0.09 for first box. Similarly, you can find out your cost of second box. So for second also the same here. Cardboard is same. The type of cardboard used is same only. And here we had got the area or the cardboard needed for the one box is this much, isn't it? So what is the cost? We'll find out. We'll take this as y. So y into 1000 plus 4 into 661.5. So same here you have to find out, into 661.5 upon 1000. So y finally will get this as, you can find out. Decimal multiplication is easy. It is not difficult. Think this as. So here you will get the final answer as rupees 2.646. So here we have the cost of one box of the first type and the cost of second box. So the question is what? You have to find out the cost of 250 box of each type. So just multiply the cost of one box with 250 and here also multiply with 250. So therefore total cost of making 250 boxes of this kind is equals to 250 and cost of one box is 6.09. So finally we'll get the answer as rupees 1522.50. Similarly, find here total cost of making 250 boxes. So you need 250 boxes, then multiply the cost of one box. To make such kind of one box, the cost is 2.646. So you'll get the answer as rupees 661.50. Next, they have asked the total cost of making both the boxes, 250 each box. So therefore, finally we'll find out the total cost of making 250 boxes of each type or each kind. So just we have to add this rupees 1522.50 plus rupees 661.50. So you'll get the answer as final answer. You can find out, add them. So you'll get here 2184. So this is the cost, final cost of both the boxes.